So today I bring for you this fantastic Nutri powder recipe that can be easily incorporated in your baby's diet once you have started introducing nuts in their diet. All these nuts have been dry roasted and cooled down before grinding. I noticed that grinding them when still warm, tends to make the powder lumpy. So letting them cool down completely before grinding them is a step you don't want to miss. You can skip peanuts if you or any of your close family member, already has a history of peanut allergy. Nuts are really the powerhouses of essential nutrients that are much needed for proper growth and development. They're rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber. They also keep the immune system strong and enhance the functioning of the brain. You really have to make sure that the baby has accepted each of these nuts individually. I have also posted a link to give you a good read about all that you need to know about nuts, the do's and the don'ts, in the description box below. This powder can be easily stored in the fridge for about a month. That's it then. You can add a teaspoon of this powder to oatmeal porridges, fruit smoothies, mashed banana, even homemade cerelac, and it would easily make up for the daily requirement of these essential nutrients. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting content coming ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, I hope you stay safe. Bye.